Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding none other than Milady Memecoin. We're going to be doing our daily analysis on the price, see what is happening and what are some next targets we could be looking for in the immediate short term. If you guys are enjoying these updates, you guys know to smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button, and now let's get right into it. So if we're looking at the price of ladies right now, as of June 17th, 2023, we still have about 7 zeros in front of the price, currently sitting at 53,362. We're up 10% once again, guys. We're up 10% in all three comparatives, Bitcoin, USD, and Ethereum comparatives over the last 24 hours. Looking at its market cap, currently sitting at $48.3 million, and the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 22.6 million. Things are looking insanely bullish for the price of ladies over the past few week and a half, and we were projecting that. Of course, if you are a follower on my channel, we were discussing that, and ladies was showing us early signs when the market was plummeting because of obviously some regulatory news that was affecting Bitcoin and of course the entire crypto space. We were seeing ladies really after that June 5th bottom really show some massive momentum that no other meme coin or altcoin was showing, and after having that massive explosion is not a surprise to any one of us, especially if you are a follower on my channel. So if we're looking at their Twitter today, there's no announcement whatsoever right now from Milady project developers. There's no news as of now. 66.7k followers, but if we're looking at the holders are increasing. We're approaching that 16,000 holder mark, and of course we're going to see new holders coming in right now because the price is booming. A lot of people are once again talking about ladies, and not only that, there's new investors that never even heard of ladies before that are looking into it. So that is a good thing to see. And now we're going to shift our focus towards the price because of course everyone is here for this, to see what exactly is happening and what are some next immediate short-term targets that I could be aiming for. Just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So looking at its market cap, 47.8 million, it's looking insanely bullish. We've seen the price of the market cap go above that $50 million mark, but we've seen retracements here and there. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Whether or not I could see us breaking past this high that we have set for this month at 5990, which was at $52 million market cap, I believe. Are we about to see us break out of there, or we will see a correction? Remember what I said, I saw some comments coming in after saying Crypto ZX, you were spot on, and that was about this. We were sitting at this level of resistance, and I said, I am expecting some sort of a drop happening because, we have pumped up a lot. Remember this, I know a lot of people are going to fail to understand this, even if I make a few followers and viewers of mine to lock these profits, and I am happy because not everyone's gonna win. You do not want to be getting greedy around this time, because the people that were picking up on June 6th and a lot of followers on my channel that like ladies were telling me they were accumulating around this range, they are up right now 2x in a matter of a week and a half. So of course, yesterday when we were sitting at this level of resistance, I said it locks some in. I am expecting some sort of a pullback happening for the price of ladies. And as a matter of fact, a few hours later after I uploaded that video, you guys could see this for yourself, we saw a drop of 23%. And that is normal. Let's not forget that type of move is normal, especially after pumping up 1.5x. You're going to see these type of corrections happening for the price of ladies or any other project. But going back to what I said, look where we got stopped out this time, that $40 million zone, which we were talking about, and that was my initial target when we were breaking towards the upside. I said, if we break out of this level of resistance at this 310 cents mark, we are going straight to 40 million. So things were really spot on in terms of predicting. Again, it's not going to be always spot on. That's obviously the case because manipulation occurs, but as of now, the momentum momentum that was building up for us. I'm not shocked as to what has happened. I know newcomers are really excited, but guys, lock those profits in, because imagine, if you were sitting around here and you locked profits and you did see the price dip, maybe some people accumulated again and it pumped up from that range, and now this is where things get exciting. You can see it pumped up after that correction almost 50%, and look where we're at now. We're at the May 12th level of support. Now, of course, that is going to play as a level of resistance when we're breaking towards the upside. Same exact level. And remember what happened at that time. When we bounced back and forth around here, we ranged here for a few days, 1 or 2, 3 days before we saw the price of ladies almost hit its all-time high, and it went up 2.2x after that. So could we see something like that happen again? The possibility is there, because Bitcoin once again is looking mega bullish. And of course, today's the weekend, CME futures are closed, but we've seen some insanely bullish news come out for Bitcoin. Big institutions are coming in, ETFs are being approved. So, people are saying, was this the SEC news that came out just a FUD for them to accumulate cheaper? Of course, I've said this before, crypto is outside of US too. It's not just within the US, and that's what people tend to forget. There's people that live outside as well, and that's what we need to keep in mind. So and also remember, I said yesterday, if Bitcoin sees a little bit of a push, we could be heading to $50 million market cap, and boom. Is this a surprise right now? Absolutely not. But remember, we're up about 2x from that level. We could definitely break out. If we do see a little bit of more push in BTC goes back into the 61.8, I'm definitely expecting the price of ladies to bounce and, maybe hit even $60 million market cap. And then, the psychological market cap going to be, that psychological point is $100 million market cap. And, I think with the momentum that's on its side, it's not out of the woods yet, because that's just a 2x from here. And still, ladies is at a $50 million market cap. It's a slow market cap coin. Things can get exciting very fast, but at the same time, I've told you this before as well, as fast as these projects can go up, these small cap projects can be manipulated as fast as well. And if we're looking at the next main level of resistance, of course, that major blue line, since we broke below it, we dropped quite significantly. So of course, that would be that main target. But right now, I would like to see this level of resistance where we're currently sitting at breakout. If that breaks out, be prepared for that 6515 mark. That would be that next target I would be looking for the immediate short term. But at the same time, one thing I want you guys to kind of be aware of is that if you picked up some around here and now you're looking at your portfolio saying, wow, this is some life-changing gains for myself, I don't care how far ladies can go up more, lock some profits in, please. I cannot stress this enough. I don't want to hear any comments come in after saying, oh, ladies dumped, I lost profit, this and that. Then that's all on you. I continue to give my viewers just warnings, tips to lock profits in, because at the end of the day, that's what you're here for. And you don't want someone else coming and locking profits before you. So if you think the profit is too much, then lock some in. Of course, you can keep some in for yourself. And also, one other strategy I use for myself is, if I think that, I don't want to lock in profits because the price is going to go up, then I put a stop loss, a very sharp stop loss. So if the price does go up, I'm going to keep increasing my stop loss. So in case the price were to go down, it will be filled, and, I still walk out with my profit. So if you are on an exchange, so there are some exchanges that have listed ladies, that would be these exchanges right here. If you have, your coins on there and you're trading on there, there is a stop loss option there. So I would recommend you guys taking advantage of that. Dominance is increasing like crazy, almost 50%, which is mind-boggling, but ladies does not seem to care right now. So again, major level of resistance coming up on our end. And if we break out of this zone, guys, like I said, I could see ladies go to 60 million, but whales can end up pushing it to $100 million. And that would be really exciting, because if we break out of the $100 million market cap, we could be headed to all-time high. Yep. And this should tell you, we do see these type of crazy bloodbaths, and this is where your patience is needed. And I'm sure you guys can understand as to how important patience is now. And imagine the people that sold around that range, they are literally burned out at this point. So this is why you want to have patience and always do your own due diligence and research and invest what you can afford to lose. But like I said, lock some profits in. We are still sitting at some resistance. We did go up to that level of resistance a few different times. Like I said, there's a lot built up around there, and we're seeing a few rejections, but momentum's on its side. I would not be surprised if we break out into $60 million market cap, because things are looking good on the BTC side, and also Pepe is moving. But like I said, lock some profits in if you are sitting at some massive gains, or put a stop loss in for yourself. And of course, I will keep you guys updated if anything were to happen. So let me know down below what your personal thoughts are, what you could see happening for the price of ladies in the immediate short term. Love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for your support. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.